Eating for optimal health. Arugula is a vegetable that has been gaining popularity due to its numerous health benefits. Let's explore some of them. Firstly, arugula is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy body and proper functioning. Additionally, arugula is rich in antioxidants, substances that help fight free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Another benefit of arugula is the presence of nitrates in its composition, which can help improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. This can be beneficial for people who suffer from hypertension or cardiovascular diseases. Arugula also contains natural compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for people with arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Lastly, arugula is a low-calorie vegetable that is rich in fiber, which can help with weight control and improve digestion. It is important to remember that arugula can be consumed in various forms, such as in salads, sandwiches, or even as an ingredient in recipes. However, it is important to wash the vegetable thoroughly before consumption to reduce the risk of contamination. In summary, arugula is a vegetable with numerous health benefits, including the presence of vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, nitrates, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Add arugula to your diet and enjoy its many health benefits.